continuity often arise from physical experiences we are having in daily life. Even abstract ideas like infinity are often realized through metaphor drawn from the physical world. So, as a mathematical community, uh, like in mathematics, we are not working in isolation. It's sort of deeply social. New ideas are developed through seminar, conversations, mentorship, collaborations, and this culture of mathematics is transmitted from generation to generation, not from algorithm to algorithm. These human elements like intuition, imagination, community play a central role in the mathematical progress. So we can say that a human is superpower. AI can assist, but AI cannot replace us. Until now, we are on this. Let's see the culture and joy of mathematics because mathematics is a human culture. Great mathematicians spend more time asking the right question than answering them. Posing a beautiful problem is itself a creative act. Hilbert 23 problem shaped a century. Euclid proof of infinite prime fits in 5 lines. Gauss summed 1 to 100 as a child in second. Elegance is not decoration, it reveals deep structure. Most mathematical work is failed attempts. Weil spent 7 years on Fermat's theorem in secret, but with dead ends. Preservation through frustration is human. Even in mentorship and legacy is an important part of mathematicians and mathematics as a subject. Mathematics flow through lineage, Gauss, Riemann, Hilbert, countless others. So intellectual DNA is passed person to person, not algorithm to algorithm. In my last part, I will explore how human mathematician and AI tools can be augmented together, how they can work together in a partnership. This question is not whether AI will replace mathematics, but what kind of mathematics become possible when it does have to. Like if we have to partnership with the AI, what type of maths we can have. So if we compare the traditional mathematics with AI augmented mathematics, in traditional mathematics, we can check proof by hand and AI verifies instantly. And when your proofs are instantly verifies, you can spend more time for your ideas or some creative things. You are unaware in traditional mathematics, being traditional mathematician, you are unaware of thousands of relevant papers, but AI surfaces every relevant result in seconds. So at one link, you get all relevant paper to your question or your to paper or your to area under consideration. Traditional mathematics write codes to test conjecture, and AI writes and runs experiment on command. Here, in traditional mathematician, being traditional mathematician, you collaborate with 5 to 10 colleagues at a time. But AI enables global, real-time collaborations. As you see, we are here and we are talking about. I think many people are joining, and it has more participation in virtual as if we are having uh, face-to-face meeting. Then limited to personal research memory, AI remembers and connects the entire field. Actually, the dilemma of our society is that we have made up our mind that AI is going to replace teachers, AI is going to replace, but we must understand that this is not here to replace us. This is here to assist us. If we shift our um, things like tedious work, repetitive work to the AI, and we save our energies for creative thing, for personalized learning, for more creative ideas, and working with the students and their problems. I think we can save our time that was initially we were spending in the calculations. So, as for example, if in Pakistan we are sending a man to climb a electric pole to fix some wires, in this way we are having risk of his life. So instead, if we send robot or some machine over there, this risk can be lower. And similarly, if you are doing something repeatedly and wasting a human time and human mind, so why not you replace these tedious tasks with robots or AI or automated type of machines? Now, if we see human AI real collaboration nowadays, we see that field medalist Peter Scholes asked the lean community to formally verify a very complicated proof in condensed mathematics. And this computer verification confirmed that the proof was correct. Terence Tao, and he said that large language model like ChatGPT can be used like a very smart assistant who gives ideas, but you cannot fully trust their answer. So human element must be there whenever you are using machine. Your creativity, your because in machine, garbage in, garbage out. So whatever you are feeding, you are getting. So insight is important part, and we cannot fully trust on their answers, on their solutions. We must think, we must analyze, we must compare, and then we must decide. Then Alpha Tensor, an AI firm DeepMind discovered a faster way to multiply 4 by 4 matrix using only 47 multiplication. So mathematician later studied the AI solution and turned it into a new mathematical understanding. Even Lean's MathLib mathematicians are creating a large computer check collection of theorems. This is becoming a new kind of mathematical infrastructure that future mathematicians and AI can safely build upon. So there is some concern, some education question. Will students stop thinking? It's a major concern. But we, at the same time, we are having, for each concern, we are having opportunity. So if students outsource problem solving to AI handle routine computation focus shift to concepts. If deep mathematical thinking is never developed, more time for rich problem and exploration you can find. If you struggle with build, intuition is bypassed. Interactive AI tutor helps in personalized learning. If math become a black box, not a skill, it access to mathematical thinking for all, irrespective of poor or anyone, because everyone can get, whether he's expert or not, he has access to mathematical thinking. Fewer people develop genuine mathematical ability, and here higher order thinking become the core curriculum. So all of our concerns have some opportunities, but we need to shift our focus. Like being teacher, if I will think that I will be replaced by AI, it's wrong. What I should do, I should integrate AI into my teaching, in my assessment. Even I should prefer personalized learning, because when I was making a lecture for myself, I will only make one lecture for all. But if I'm using AI, I can get its different variant within no time. Even I can get its multi-language support. I can translate these materials into other languages to support multicultural, multi-language people as well. So take it as an opportunity. Integrate, don't fear with AI. Play with AI, use it as an assistant. So there is a philosophical question as well. Does AI understand mathematics? If AI can solve problem and produce correct proof, then it understand mathematics in the way that matter. Because if someone is having solving problem and producing the correct proof, then for that matter, understanding is clear. So showing the right behavior is the same as understanding. But if we see understanding means having meaning behind symbols, AI only manipulates symbols. Like it can only know the syntax, while human understand their meaning, their semantics. Thus, idea of real understanding doesn't matter. What matter is that AI expand what mathematics we can do. and that is enough for us. Penrose argues that Gödel's incompleteness theorem shows human mathematical insight goes beyond formal system. Since AI is formal system, it cannot fully match human understanding. So we can conclude that AI understand mathematics to certain extent, but we it cannot fully understand. For fully understanding, we need human mathematicians. So if we predicting from 2026 to next 20 years, if we see AI can now verify graduate level proofs and is becoming a standard tool in mathematics research. We are agree on it. And in the coming 4 years, it will become much more better. It's a prediction that from 2030 to 2034, AI assisted conjectures may become common, and some major open problems will be solved by human AI teams collectively. And the next 4 years, AI may discover new mathematical structure that human had not imagined even, raising question about credit and authorship. And in the next 4 years, AI can claim to prove or disprove the Riemann hypothesis, may raise serious question about trust and verification. And beyond, mathematics may bifurcate, like we use human math and machine math together. For human math, for example, if we need to do something conceptual, something aesthetic, we may use human part. And if we need some vast, formal, incomprehensible, or in scale problems, we may use machine. So we need to set up partnership between AI and human. So again, the problem, as we started, will mathematics lose its magic? Uh, for me, no. Mathematics will not lose its magic, but the magic will transform. Mathematical truth, elegance, and wonder are not diminished by being verified by machine. Just as a symphony, it's less beautiful because it was recorded. You know, music is beautiful when you live do music or art or something like that. So if it is recorded, it's not have much importance as live singing have. Then AI handles routine proofs. Humans will pursue deeper, stranger, more creative problem. This frontier will expand with the passage of time. The collaboration between human intuition and machine power may produce mathematics more wonders than either could alone, because now we are having fast track things, fast track machines, they can produce results, and we can think and we can spare our time in more creative thinking type of things. So in this way we can excel and more beauty can emerge. Danger is real. There is no doubt in it that danger is real. If we let AI think of us rather with us, we risk losing the muscle of mathematical imagination. So, vigilance matters. So, whatever you do, wherever you do, if you are using AI, don't fully rely on it. You are superhuman, you are master of your subject. AI, use AI as an assistant only. So, here are some key takeaways of my talk. First of all, mathematics is irreducibly human in its deepest spirit, in curiosity, beauty, and meaning making. AI is a powerful new instrument, not a replacement of mathematical thought. So it's a new instrument, just play with it, just utilize it, utilize these tools. So instead of solving anything by yourself, use mathematical tools like Mathematica, MATLAB, latest updated softwares. Utilize them so that your thought have you have more time for thought provoking things. The greatest threat is not AI taking over, it's human abdicating the discipline of thinking. So, thinking should be there. Your personalized teachings, learnings, these should be the part of your teachings, even learnings. The future belongs to mathematicians who wield AI as a tool, not those who are replaced by it. Yes, if you will not work in collaboration with of AI, like you will not be able to integrate AI tools into your teaching and learning, there is a fear of replacement as well. The magic of mathematics is precisely its resistance to being fully automated. So, in the end, you get this that this magic of mathematics has resistance. So it cannot be fully automated. It will always be side by side with human intuition, human thinking, and human element. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Farkhanda, for enlightening our minds with the nice presentation and nice piece of knowledge. For I hope everyone enjoy this session. And later we will share inshallah recording with all of you if you missed this session. Now I would like to invite Professor Dr. Norma Ilyas kindly to, because we are already 10 minutes late, so without taking any question from the audience, we are starting our next session.